I can eat this pasta every day. I'm talking about Puttanesca Pasta, an Italian pasta dish. It was invented in Naples in the mid-20th century. Let's get cooking. Take a large saucepan and add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add 1/2 cup of Castelvillanotto olives and 2 tablespoons of capers, both chopped. Your stove temperature should be on medium. Take 3 cloves of garlic. You're going to want to smash them to get the flavors out. And then thinly slice your garlic. Add the garlic to the saucepan. Next, add 2 tablespoons of anchovy paste and 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper or 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now let's stir our mixture and allow the flavors of the garlic to be released. We do not want to overbrown the garlic. As this cooks, let's start our pasta water and cook our pasta to al dente. Take some sun-dried tomatoes, chop them and add 1/2 cup. Then add 1/4 cup of sliced almonds that have been roasted. Next we want to add 1 15-ounce can of Italian tomatoes that have been crushed. I processed my tomatoes some to get the right texture. Now stir these ingredients and allow them to cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Now would be a good time to subscribe to my channel and select the bell to receive alerts of my new videos. I appreciate all of my community of friends. We want to add 1 cup of dry white wine. Stir this in and allow it to come to a boil and let it reduce by 1/2, and that will remove the alcohol. At this point, our pasta has reached al dente stage, so we will add 1 cup of pasta water to our sauce to thicken it. Unfortunately, I added 2 cups and it is going to be a sauce that is too thin, but it'll be okay. Let's continue to cook our sauce for 30 minutes. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest, and we're going to take a bunch of flat leaf parsley and chop it. We'll add 1/4 cup of that parsley to our sauce. Then add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now let's add our pasta. I use spaghetti, but linguine is also good in this recipe. And I also made too much pasta, but it still turned out to be very good. So too thin a sauce with too much pasta and it was still good. Can you imagine what it's going to taste like when you make it right? Now stir in the pasta and let it heat for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow that sauce to soak into that pasta. It will be yummy, yummy good. Let's start plating. Put your puttanesca into bowls and top with torn basil leaves and some shredded Parmesan cheese. Yummy. I could eat this pasta every day.